Hey lovers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you how to use toner to brighten up your skin. The right toner to use to brighten up your skin. I have toners here. I think four toners. One is it's an essence. Look at the toners here. So I've been going to be telling you the right way to use toner to actually brighten your skin. Yes, you can actually use toner to brighten your skin, yes. But you have to use it the right way. And the particular ingredients you have to look out for when buying a toner for your skin concern. So they are kind of different kind of toner. But before I even start, what is a toner? What is a toner? See, I will just explain toner as a building. Yes, toner is like a foundation. It's just like a foundation. So toner help you to prep your face very, very, very well before applying any skincare routine. So it is essential you use toner in your skincare routine. So after washing your face, you need a toner to prep your face. It's just like a house. When you buy a land, you need to lay a foundation before you start building. So that is what a toner is. Toner is like the foundation of every skincare routine. So you need a toner before you can apply any other skincare routine. So a toner will have to come first. You have washed your face. You have stripped up the moisture on your face. You have stripped up the oil on your face. You have dehydrated your face. So you need something now to, first of all, balance your face first. Tone your face first before you can start applying any skincare routine, any skincare product in your face. So now, what kind of toner you have to look out for? See, it now depends on what you are trying to sort out for. For instance, now, if you are battling with hyperpigmentation, you are battling with dark face, there are toners you have to look out for, like Licorice. You have to look out for glycolic acid, like the AHA, and you have to look out for vitamin C. Those particular toners helps to brighten the face, helps to elevate your face, helps to lighten up your face. Those are kind of toner you have to look out for. So now, before you even think of toner, we have toner, we have essence. Yes, toner is in a liquid form, is in a watery form. Look at the toner. Look at a toner. Look at a toner. These are all toners. These are toners. This one, I'm done with this one. This one is toner. This one is an essence. An essence is more like in a oily form. So when you go to the market, you know what you are buying. This is a toner. Toners are always in a water form. These are toners that are in a water form. This one is an essence. This one comes after you have toned your face. That is what an essence is for. It's after you have toned your face, you go in with an essence, which you can actually skip. Yes. To my own opinion, if you want to skip any skincare routine, I would prefer you skip the essence, but don't skip the like the foundation of skincare routine, which is the toner. You have to use a toner in your face. So now these are 4 toners I'm going to be recommending that are very, 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 very effective and also affordable. So let's start with this Acwell toner, this Licorice pH balance face toner, cleansing toner. This particular toner are for those that are battling with face darkening. If your face is darker than your body, go in with this particular toner. This toner will brighten your face for you. It has licorice. Licorice is very, very, very good for brightening the face. You will love the effect of this particular one. And they said this is for a sensitive face. It depends on the kind of sensitivity of your face. Yes, I actually have a sensitive face, but while I was using it, I think I was breaking out for like some time, then the thing stopped. Yes, this particular toner. So if your face is not that sensitive and you want to brighten your face, you can go in with this particular one. This toner is good for that. This particular toner is good for that. And I think it's sold for, this size is sold for 13,000 naira to 16,000, and this particular size is sold for it. This toner, when I mean it is nice, it will brighten your face. It will brighten your face. When I mean to brighten your face, this one will brighten your face. So let's now go to this particular one, Veetgold Rice and Milk. I have used this one for close to 2 years, and I can swear by it. It is very, very loose, very, very nice. If you have a sensitive face, you are battling with dark spot and hyperpigmentation, you can go in with this particular toner. This toner, it is very, very, very good. And also it helps in sun rays. Yes, this particular one, this Veetgold rice and milk, you're going to love the effect of this one. This one is sold for the price of 2,500 naira to 5,000 naira. Yes, I think the last time I bought it was 3,000 naira. They were selling it for 2,500 naira for a long period of time before now they entered 3,000. So it depends on your location. You still see this one for 2,500 to 5,000 naira. This particular one, this one is well affordable and it is very, very effective. When I mean effective, it's effective. Another one I'm going to be talking about is this Guanjing rice toner. This particular one, it is very, very, very nice. When I mean nice, it is nice and it is affordable. It does not have alcohol, it does not have mineral oil at all. It is well, I mean affordable, it is affordable and it is very, very much. So if you have a very, very sensitive face, you can go in with this particular one. This one, I bought this one for 2,500 naira in my location. This one is sold for 2,500 naira. You're going to love the effect of this thing. Rice milk helps to like plump your face, helps to plump your face, hydrate your face, brighten your face, and also improve skin elasticity. That is what rice milk toner is. So if you are going for rice milk toner, just know that you are going to, what you are expected to see is your face to be plump. If your face is not firm, it is saggy, you can go for any rice milk toner. Which is this two. You can go for any rice milk toner. This two helps to replump your face very, very well, hydrate your face. And for people that have rough face, if you have bumpy face, if you have rough face, going with this particular toners. These toners are very, very good for that. Yeah, these toners are very, very good for that. Then if you just want to brighten your face, if you are battling with hyperpigmentation, dark spot, and you need something that will actually brighten, boost your melanin on your face, like give you a very, very, very clean, nice face, you go in with this any toner that has licorice. Yes, licorice. I love toners that have licorice, alpha protein, and also vitamin C. This particular one, it is very, very good. So if you don't have money to buy this one, this Acwell toner, this one is very, very on the eye side. You go in with this particular one. This 5.5 is also the same company that produces this particular rice and milk that also produces this particular one. This is the Guanjing Licorice 5.5 face toner. This one, it is very, 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 very good. Very, very, very good. I mean, it is very good. It is for those that have sensitive face. So if you have sensitive face and you want a toner that is affordable, you can go in with this particular one. You can go in with this particular one. Yes. So these are the toners that I can swear by that are very, very, very effective. So if you have a rough face, go for rice milk toner. Rice milk toner if your face is rough. And if you want to brighten your face, you want to lighten your face, go for toner that has licorice, toner that has vitamin C, toner that have AHA, and also glycolic acid. Those toner will help you exfoliate and brighten your face, because we have different kind of toner. We have brightening toners. We have toners that actually exfoliate the face, which are the glycolic and also the AHA toners. Then these particular ones are just for brightening. They will not exfoliate your face, they only brighten your face. So then my question is, can you use two kind of toner? Yes, you can use two kind of toner in a day. Yes, that's what you do. Just try and use the rice toner in the morning and use the brightening toner at night. That is the best way to space your toner. Use the rice milk in the morning. So in the morning, you know you have hydrated face, you have a juicy face, you have a plump face. And at night, you brighten your face. When you wake up in the morning, you see your face is looking well hydrated, looking brighter, and looking more, beautiful in the morning. That is how to use a toner. Then this is an essence. This is an essence. An essence is more creamy, more oily form. This is an essence. So if you want to skip an essence, no problem. But it is essential you use an essence, but it is not important. But for me, I am saying it that toners are important in your skincare routine. Toners are what? Important in your skincare routine. I hope this particular video helps you to differentiate between a toner and also an essence, and also make you to get the right choice when picking a toner. My name still remains Judith. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Join the family. See you in my next video. Bye.